Hi guys, so this is for Spanish 1 and it's an introductory on how to use Conjugamos to practice when you're at virtual learning. You're on conjugamos.com and then you're going to click on this thing that says use without account. And so then you're going to scroll down to where it says present tense regular verbs only. And then you're going to hit graded practice. And then you're going to go over to where it says has the 5. I've excluded this so that you won't have to see all the commercials on here. Save settings, you want to get rid of the timer. So then you're going to click on settings. Now, if you're using a phone, it's going to be this like 3 little squares up in the top right to get you to the settings gear. But if you're on a computer, it's just right here on the settings gear. What you're going to do is you're going to toggle this back to gray so that this is the easiest way to do it. We want to start you off with the most basic so you're not frustrated. So then we've got all pronouns. We're going to click on all but vosotros because they only use that in Spain. And we're going to click on all verbs. Now what you need to do is click off on the all verbs, and then you're going to go through and you're going to find the ones that end in AR. And just pick as many as you can find. If you get up to about 10, that's all we need just for some variety. All right, and then so there's our 13 verbs. So I'm going to click off on the bright white if I am on a computer so that you actually get to save it. So if I clicked over here, it wouldn't work. You got to click on the bright white. Then you click Save Settings. And you go. Then you're going to go to start the graded practice. I don't actually get your grades, and so that's why you're going to do a screenshot at the end. You have to go to 40 tries up here, and whatever your grade is over there, that's what I'm going to give you for your daily work grade. I would like you to do it as many times as you want, and so that way you get the highest grade that you want. So nosotros escuchar. So let's say you don't have your notebook with you from class. You're not sure what to do. Well, then you can go back. If you're on a computer, you can go to the show hints, and there we have our conjugation box that tells you what endings to put on the end. Remember, with all of our conjugations, we're going to take off the AR, and then you can put on the O, the AS, the A, the amos, and the on. Nosotros escuchar, so I would put escuchamos, and there's our answer. And see, he waves when you get it right. He carries. Let's say I get it wrong. So I'm going to turn that, oh, that's wrong. So then you have to go back and you have to do it correctly. Now, none of these on this number 2, the very beginning, none of them get accent marks. Go ahead and text me and remind if you have any questions about this. Bye!